Hey guys, it's Madeline. Welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to be talking about glasses and specifically the brand Kits. So I don't know if you've heard of this brand. It is Canadian, started in Vancouver, actually in Kitsilano is where they kind of came up with the name. So my mom actually sent us the link for your first pair of free glasses from this company called Kits. I had seen some ads just popping up on my feed throughout 2020, I guess, because the brand actually started up in 2020. And boy, does this sound a lot like Clearly. And I'll link the article below where they actually talk about who founded the brand, and turns out the former CEO and founder of Clearly is one of the founders of this particular brand, Kits. I was really surprised by overall the quality of this brand, and I was thinking, I actually went into the buying experience knowing absolutely nothing about the company. They are located in Vancouver. I believe BC has some particular rules, some type of government guidelines where you can actually make glasses with less regulatory restrictions than any other part of Canada, so I think that's why they all start up these companies in Vancouver. But Essilor actually bought out Clearly recently for like $430 million. So looks like the founder is now jumping to a new ship, and that is Kits. So my glasses came in this burgundy kind of box. I don't like how it feels. It almost has like a faux snakeskin to it, but it's like this kind of, it gives me goosebumps when I touch it, this felty material. So there's the case, all good. I literally have goosebumps. It comes with a lens cleaner and a little card holder for the back of your phone. I use a wireless charger, so I won't be able to use this, but it is a very nice thought. And here are my glasses. So I used the first pair free deal, which is still going, and these were just $10. I only paid for shipping, which is amazing. So the frames are made in China, but the lenses are made in Vancouver, I believe, at their factory, or in BC. And they did ship really quickly. So the philosophy behind this brand, it says Kits, there's so much more to see. They apparently have access to like the largest stock of contact lenses, so they promise to ship your order within days. These definitely came within a week. The whole ordering experience was extremely easy. But yeah, so they actually target a younger audience than maybe some other brands online. Honestly, I would say Clearly targets younger people as well. These are the Alma S12T. I love these glasses from Clearly. They are the Saturday frames, main and central. These, I wear them all the time. They're really nice. The prescription is actually a little bit lower than what I need right now. I just love how they look. And so these are a little bit narrower than the Kits. They actually have a pretty similar vibe, but the Kits are a little more yellow. I was pretty surprised at how yellow these are. But here are the Kits. They're very clear, the lenses are so crisp, and I chose the very bottom of the barrel, cheapest lenses possible. So I believe these would have been $99 all in, which is pretty good. They are the Kits line of frames. They also have designer frames too. They don't have a huge range, and these are maybe 2 to 4 millimeters wider than my Clearly ones here that I love. These are in a size small. And they didn't really have a wide selection of narrow frames, but overall I am happy with them. My eyes are pretty well aligned. I don't feel any kind of discomfort from the moment I put these on. They felt really great. I just love wearing them so much, and I think they look pretty good. Just a touch wider than what I would like, but overall they're really comfortable. So to compare them to my glasses here from Firmoo, I tried to get a similar vibe with these. They are filthy, first of all, but these lenses look so reflective, and these were also like the bottom of the barrel cheapest lenses, and they just look like I'm looking through a cloudy window. So these are definitely also not like the best shape for my face, but these feel a lot cheaper and are probably similar price point. I think these would probably be like $50 to $75 versus those are $100. So yeah, I would probably steer clear of Firmoo for right now and try Kits, simply because I just don't think the quality is there with a brand like Firmoo. I also find that my eyes tend to be a little bit more fatigued when I'm wearing these. I think they might not be the proper lens shape. So yeah, that was just really interesting because I was expecting something similar to these when I ordered like the super cheap kits lenses, because also when you buy a cheaper lens, they are heavier most of the time. The only thing I've noticed with these is that they are a little bit difficult to shine up and clean because there are no coatings. I think it was something like an additional $99 for a better lens and coatings and stuff, and I just opted out because I didn't even know what to expect with these. If I'd known they were going to be just like Clearly, I might have actually spent a bit more, but regardless, I love these. I think they're so pretty. What I would recommend, make sure that you have all of the measurements you need before buying glasses online. So that includes your prescription, but also your pupil distance. And it's important to get that measured by a professional. So pupil distance, really important. There's also like axis and different measurements that you might need. I have like an astigmatism. I have a pretty simple prescription. It's -3 and -3.5. So these glasses do accommodate my eyes, but I know that some websites don't accommodate a very wide or varying levels of prescription. So take a look, let me know if they can cater to your prescription. I'm definitely going to take a look at them for contacts, because I was finding that Clearly is actually pretty pricey for contacts, and this could be an interesting competition. How cool that now Clearly is like neck and neck with this other company. It's going to be interesting to see what happens. That being said though, once you get glasses from an online company, it is a good idea to maybe bring them to your optometrist or an optician to have them just check and make sure that the lenses are shaped properly for your eyes. Because somewhere like Clearly, there is a brick and mortar store in downtown Toronto. Obviously it's closed right now, but I always bring my glasses there to just be checked, adjusted, you know, they can adjust the arms. But if you buy glasses from an online store that does not have a brick and mortar shop, you could go somewhere else to get them, you know, checked or adjusted, but it is nice to have that with somewhere like Clearly. I remember the first time I bought glasses from Clearly, I went to an optician, and please, just a PSA to any opticians out there, do not act like you are God's very best gift to mankind. Like, I've just been put into such uncomfortable situations when I cannot afford a $300 pair of glasses every year, because occasionally my prescription has actually changed like every single year. I've had a different prescription. I have next to no insurance coverage. It's like my insurance will cover up to like 15 false eyes, but the moment you need a prescription or a pair of glasses, they're like, okay, yeah, we'll cover the arm. You know, you can get the rest. Oh, and that'll be once every 4 years. Just enjoy those glasses. Enjoy them a lot. So that's my story. But once I started buying glasses online, I went to an optician and she was like, this is just the worst pair of glasses you could have ever put on your face. Like, buy your $500 pair of glasses or else, you know. So that being said, I do think it's important to get a professional to take a look and make sure that you're actually wearing glasses that are good for your eyes and that have the right curvature, because even something like these ones from Firmoo, my eyeballs are kind of right here. These lenses might not be curved properly to suit my eye shape, whereas these ones I actually go into the store at Clearly and order them after I've done all of the measurements in store. So they're just guaranteed to be good, and then you actually go pick them up at the store for the most part, and then they'll just check them there before you go. But guys, I'm thrilled with these glasses. Let me know what you think. You can also check in this video here if there is some glare on the lenses, and then you can judge for yourself whether you need to get the coatings or not. Overall, I think they are fantastic. So drop a comment below if you've bought glasses from kits, if they cater to your prescription, if this interests you, or maybe you have another company that you like to buy glasses from. I would love to hear it. So like and subscribe if you enjoyed my video, and I look forward to seeing you again very soon. Bye guys!